Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another episode. My name is Dr. Bashir and I'm based in Finland. Today I'm going to talk about motivation letter. A motivation letter is an integral component of modern application requirements. If you decide to apply for higher studies or even a job, you will be required to write a motivation letter. It can make a big difference on the final decision as well. A well written motivation letter can convince the selection committee that you have solid achievements behind you and you would be a good fit for the program. This document is the most personalized and gives you an opportunity to make a presentation about you as a person and as a candidate. In this video, we will find out what it is and how to write a motivation letter that will get you selected. So let's begin.
All right, so now we can discuss how to write an effective motivation letter. All right, so before discussing the format to write the motivation letter, let's discuss what points to consider when writing the motivation letter. I have listed down the main points that you should be keeping in mind before writing the motivation letter. So let's go through them one by one. So the first one is, why are you applying to this master's program? Very basic question. You need to write the motivation, why you're applying in this program, what triggered you to go for this program. Next, what do you expect to gain from this master's program? You need to write your expectations from this program, what you hope to learn in this program, etc. Then, why do you think you are the best candidate for this program? I mean, there will be plenty of applicants, right? You need to state why you are an ideal candidate for the program. Then how your previous credentials, for example, education, work experience, knowledge, and skills support your success in this master's studies. You need to show them that you have a relevant education, work experience, and a skill set that will ensure your success in this program. Next, describe your professional goals. How do you think that this master's program would support the development of your professional profile? You need to talk about the goals you have for your professional life and how this program will help achieving them. Then, why do you want to study in this particular university? There are thousands of universities out there, right? So you need to explain why this one. You can talk about the city, for example. It has a vibrant culture. It is full of international students. Course structure is unique. Department collaboration with industry is really good, and so on. Now we can discuss how to write a motivation letter. A good motivation letter format is very crucial. In my opinion, the following structure is the most common and most convenient for this type of document. We can divide the motivation letter in three different parts. For example, introduction, body, and conclusion. What specifics you need to write in these parts, let's have a look. So in the introduction or first paragraph, you should state your main goal. Tell why you are applying to this program and explain why this program appeals to you. Make a brief summary of your main characteristics that set you apart from other applicants and make you a strong candidate. Then in the body part, your task is to focus on your strengths. Highlight all your skills, academic knowledge, working experience that are applicable to this program and make you a competitive candidate. Provide some concrete facts and examples. Show your passion and motivation. Demonstrate the understanding of the challenges that might occur in the degree program and explain how you will overcome them. You should also write what will be your future contribution to the university. You can also state how degree program will help you in future career advancement. Then in the conclusion or last part, uh, you can briefly repeat your desire to join the program and summarize whatever you have mentioned in the body paragraph. Then in the concluding part, express your gratitude and thank the admission committee for their time and consideration. It is a very simple format, but simple is beautiful, right? It doesn't need to be complicated. All right, now let's have a look what you should write in the actual motivation letter. I have prepared a brief example for you. So in the introduction, you need to state your main motivation. You need to tell why you are applying to this program and explain why this program interests you. Again, this is very brief example and the idea is to just show you how to start, what to write in the introduction part. Similarly, in the body part, You need to focus on your strengths, highlights all your skills, academic knowledge, work experience that are relevant to this program and make you a strong candidate. Provide some concrete facts and examples. Show your passion and motivation. Then explain why this degree program and this university. Again, this is just very brief example for you. You need to provide more details when you are writing your actual motivation letter. Finally, in the conclusion part, briefly repeat your desire to join the program and briefly highlight your strengths as an applicant. In the end, express your gratitude and thank the admission committee. Alright, by keeping those points in mind and following the format we just discussed, I'm pretty sure you can write a very good motivation letter. Now I would like to give you some essential tips to write an outstanding motivation letter. First, use strong and clean language. Avoid any redundancy in your writing. Keep it simple and informative. Focus on the main goal of a motivation letter. Use correct and appropriate language that will describe you as a perfect candidate. Next, don't repeat your resume. Use this space in order to tell something that will make a difference and will show you that you are a competitive student. Stay positive. Your letter has to be all about your best qualities and strength. Avoid discussing your weaknesses. If you decide to describe some challenges you have encountered in the professional working environment, tell how you have overcome those problems. Don't lie on your motivation letter. The essential thing is to stay honest. Don't exaggerate your skills or experience. The truth will be revealed eventually. Just be yourself. Put emphasis on your strength and believe in your success. You will definitely manage to do this. Last but not least, proofread it multiple times. Make sure there are no grammar or spelling errors. If it's necessary, rewrite it several times until you will get a great result.
Alright, so it was in detail about the motivation letter. I hope this video will be useful for you. By keeping those important points in mind and following the format we just discussed, I'm pretty sure you can write an outstanding motivation letter. If you are looking for some samples, I will try to put down the link in the video description. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section. I will try to get back to you. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.